Imagine diving into an ancient shipwreck, expecting to find pottery or coins and instead pulling up a computer. In 1901, off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera, divers discovered exactly that. Among the treasures was a heavily encrusted, lumpy fragment of bronze. For decades, it sat ignored in a museum. Most researchers assumed it was a piece of junk from a modern ship that had crossed paths with the ancient wreck. They were dead wrong. When modern technology finally peered beneath the calcified exterior, the scientific community was sent into shock. Buried inside that rock was a complex system of over 30 interlocking bronze gears. It was an analog computer, built with a level of precision that shouldn't have existed for another 1,500 years. The Antikythera Mechanism wasn't built to calculate numbers, it was built to map the cosmos. By turning a single hand crank on the side of the box, a user could move time forward or backward, engaging dozens of gears simultaneously. With terrifying accuracy, it could track the positions of the sun and moon through the zodiac and predict solar and lunar eclipses centuries in advance. It calculated the exact hour and the direction the shadow would fall, and it even mapped the complex variable paths of the 5 planets known to the ancient world: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. But it also had a human element. Hidden on the back was a small dial that literally counted down the days to the ancient Olympic Games. Here's the problem that keeps historians up at night. The timeline makes absolutely no sense. We are taught that human progress is linear, that we start simple and get smarter. But the Antikythera Mechanism represents a massive, unexplained spike in technology. The engineering required to design and cut these microscopic gear teeth did not reappear in human history until the development of the first mechanical astronomical clocks in Europe during the 14th century. For nearly 1,500 years, this technology was completely lost. If this one device hadn't been recovered from the bottom of the Aegean Sea, mainstream history would tell us that ancient civilizations were entirely incapable of building it. Was this the work of an isolated genius like Archimedes, whose blueprints died with him in that shipwreck? Or is it a surviving relic of a much deeper hidden chapter of human history? A time when ancient Skywatchers possessed a profound understanding of the universe. They clearly had the mechanical means to replicate it. Some look at the sheer impossibility of the device and wonder, did the ancients have a teacher from the stars? What do you think? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Drop a like, subscribe, and follow for more secrets of the ancient Skywatcher. Until next time, keep looking up.